everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Miss B. I'm Miss B. Today is Thursday. And as always, thank you for joining us again. I don't know why you're here, but okay.
we bare our souls and they point at the radio and go, these people are stupid.
Can you believe these two?
Quick, get everybody, bring him in here. What? We're not that dumb. Listen to these two.
Check this out.
I am the smartest one in the room. It's just me and them.
Well, if nothing else, you get a good laugh for the day and it gives you a break.
That's right.
So anyways, all this week we're talking about those some more random questions.
Those more random? There's ones that are even more random than these.
Well, yeah.
We were just talking about cowboy taggers. I don't think there's anything more random.
Oh, I can find more random. Okay.
What?
Anyways, your TV just came on by itself behind you. Scared the crap out of me.
Stop. Look, she just put her paw. She put her paw up.
John's dog wants to watch TV.
Right there. She put her paw up on it and she turned on the TV. Look at that. Wow. Holy moly.
Maybe she wants to watch Netflix.
Number one, do you think I would pay for Netflix? I am way too cheap for that.
It was the only thing that came to mind, okay?
If there's a free channel on there that says Bill's Incredibly Free Movies, I will probably watch that.
Yeah, you will.
Netflix? That costs money.
That much.
I know someone said Hulu. I'm like, Hulu? Who can afford Hulu? And they're like, dude, it's like $10 a month. You can buy an antenna and watch TV for free. Why would you spend $10 a month? Yeah, I'm cheap.
Welcome to John's Cheap World.
Yes.
Okay, so today we got a random question. Are you ready for this one?
Yeah.
It's a true or false one. Okay, so true or false? Can you sneeze in your sleep?
I am going to say true.
You know what? It's actually false.
What?
Yeah, you can't sleep in...
You can't sleep. Well, I've been awake for a long time. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep soon.
You can't sneeze in your sleep.
Well, how come I sneeze? Do I wake up first, or I don't get it? Does your body go, wake up? Okay, now sneeze. I know you go blind when you sneeze.
What?
Yeah. You can't see what you cannot see when you sneeze.
Why, do your eyes automatically close?
Yeah. You cannot see when you sneeze.
Your eyes automatically shut when you sneeze.
Yeah. When you sneeze, your eyes go closed.
Well, why do they do that?
I don't. Here we go again, John. I know why. According to the last time I did the analysis of the brain, Christy, and the social and geometric possibilities surrounding the sneeze were. How you think I would know the answer to that?
Well, think about that for a second, though. Maybe it's like a protection kind of thing, so you don't get sneeze spew in your face.
I don't know.
In your eyes.
I don't know. I did not program the brain. All I know is this: when you sneeze, you're blind. You can't see anything. Your eyes are. It's it. Everything closes up, and you're.
So you don't get sneeze spooge.
Okay. If it's coming out the front at a high rate of speed, how's it going to flip upside down and go backwards and get in your eye?
velocity? I don't know.
What are you thinking? There's a ricochet problem they've got, so they had your eyes closed?
Well, does it make any sense why you would close your eyes when you sneeze?
You don't get the choice.
Well, I know, but I just don't understand why. I'm going to Google that.
Oh, I'm sure Google knows. You really believe Google would know the answer? Oh, my word. Google, what's the answer for life? Well, let's say, holy moly. Yeah, apparently you are blind when you sneeze. You cannot see. You have no more control of sight. You are without vision.
Okay, here we go.
What? What's it say?
You may shut your eyelids so when you sneeze out germs, they don't fall in your eyes. See?
No, listen. No, listen. Somebody told you that, like they know the reason why. Come on.
Your eyes may be shut, for they are the one of a series of muscles that tighten during the involuntary.
That sounds a little bit more normal.
I think it's
not Googling their whole. Well, this is so that you don't get germs in your eyes. Oh, well, stop it.
I just had to Google it.
Everything's about COVID. It's so you don't get COVID in your eyes. Oh, okay. All right. Thanks a lot.
I was just trying to make fun of it.
Yeah, I just, at a very young age, had heard you're blind. And every time after that, when I sneezed, I tried to look. And you know what happened to me?
You couldn't do it.
I couldn't do it. My eyes were, it's like, I couldn't see it.
I wonder if they make that involuntary, though.
Who is they? I wonder why they make it. What? Are you programmed or something there, miss?
Hey, the brains.
I wonder why they make that. Who is they?
Why your brain makes you do that?
I don't know. I think it might have to do with the second definition, muscles contracting. Because believe it or not, a sneeze is ridiculously violent. You can die from it. Did you know that?
You can die from a sneeze?
Yeah.
Does it make your heart stop?
No, it does something to like an aneurysm or whatever. People that will try to hold it back and not sneeze can burst blood vessels. I mean, apparently it's really, really violent. Well, think about it. I mean, I have a rough sneeze. I'm like, boo. If I went, no, I'm not going to let any of that out, and I go, I might pop.
And on that note, let's go get some Pop-Tarts. Back in a moment. Welcome back, everybody. John doesn't know what he's doing. Nor does he know anything. But I'm glad
I had a little brain fart. It was just a small one. It was a little achoo. I had a brain sneeze. And I went blind, so I hit the wrong button.
I just had to say that because you're always teasing me about me saying things incorrectly. So there.
Yes.
That's right.
Part 2.
Yeah, so welcome back, everybody. If you missed the first half of the episode, please go back and check that out. If you are just new and joining us and you want to go back even further and listen to some more previous episodes, feel free. Wow. My favorite one is Cars. And you can't see it, but John's shaking his pumpkin.
That's the one where you let... I wonder if he gets in a car accident, if his weenie will fall. What? What?
I'm telling you, if I win the lottery, if I ever win the lottery, I would buy that car. I'd buy that Wienermobile car.
You would just drive it around everywhere laughing. You would just be hysterical.
I would.
You would be like the person who would pull up just to say something to somebody. You pull up and go, hi, how are you? Yes. Do you think my weenie will fit in that parking spot? You would do all of that just to say it.
I feel like I'm sorry. Is my wiener too close to your car?
Is my wiener too close to the back of your car?
Well, that's one way for people to leave me alone. They think I'm crazy. They're like, crazy lady, walk away.
Can you imagine that? Here comes that lady with the hot dog mobile. She's going to pull up and ask us if she can put her weenie in the back of our RV. You just watch. She's going to do. You would be just driving people crazy.
I don't know. I think I'd have to fix that wiener, though, because it's disproportional.
I got a blinker on my wiener. I have a blinker on my wiener. Hi. Can you imagine if her blinkers break? She'd love it because she'd have to go to the place. How are you doing? Yeah, I got a problem with my wiener blinker.
Can you replace my wiener blinker?
The blinker on my wiener's not working. You guys have wiener blinker bulbs? Do you have the wiener blinker bulbs here? Okay, you would drive somebody crazy with that thing. That would be.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. About 5 months into that, the entire world would be like, "Yeah, I'm good. I'm done with it." Seriously, she's still at it. Yeah.
That was like my favorite part of the Crazy Cars episode.
Yep, that would be something else.
Just saying.
So you can't sneeze in your sleep. I'm still reeling from that one because it's like, have I woken up every time? Because I've sat up in bed before and sneezed, and now that I think about it, I sat up. And I remember the sneeze, so I was awake.
Well, do you wake up when you fart?
Oh, my word. Oh, my word.
Or do people just fart in their sleep?
Oh, my word. Honey, what is that sound? It's your grandpa. He's putter farting again. He's been doing that for a half hour. He's out cold. How long before that ends? I don't know how much gas that thing holds, but that's a big tank. He's been in there puttering for a while.
Man, your sheets would be smelly.
But I mean, do you have to wake up to fart? Really? Did you actually say that?
Well, you gotta wake up to sneeze, so why can't you wake up to fart?
What a disappointment that'd be. Sit up in bed and wake up and go, I'm gonna do something. Oh, it's a fart. Oh wow. It couldn't have been a sneeze. I could have went blind at the same time. That'd have been great. Sit up in bed, sneeze, and go blind. Okay.
Well, you do like all kinds of weird things in your sleep, except obviously sneeze because you have to be awake for that. But I don't know. Oh,
you do all kinds of weird things in your sleep. What the heck do you do? I generally sleep.
Yeah, but do you know that you toss and turn like on an average? I think it's 36 or 37 times during the course.
I heard that once, and I roll over. I have one pillow that I lay at my stomach, and I lay over the pillow because it's hard to get my shoulder comfortable, and that usually does it right there. I can wake up in the morning. That pillow is exactly the same spot it was when I went to sleep.
Well, you don't move? What are you, dead when you go to sleep?
I guess I do my tossing and turning before I close my eyes, but I tell you what, I'll go to sleep. I go to sleep and I can wake. Now, there are times I wake up and I'm facing the right, but I have gone to sleep many times and never moved. Never moved.
You also talk in your sleep. I'm not saying you specifically, but there are people that are known to talk.
I'm glad you annotated that because I was like, if you say you talk in your sleep, I'm gonna be like, girl, what?
Do you talk in your sleep? I know.
How the hell would I know that?
One of your previous wives must have told you.
No, they all talked in their sleep. I've actually had arguments with them. I'll tell you what, there's nothing quite like that, having an argument, and you're like, that's it, man. I'm sick of this crap. God. And all of a sudden, hey, you. What? How you doing? Did you just get home? Wait. Back up. Back up. What is that? Hey, yeah. What is all of that? What? Now they're getting mad. What are you acting like that for? What am I acting like that for? You've been screaming at me for the last 20 minutes. I wasn't. Oh, don't. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, there we go.
Well, it's different to get screamed at in your sleep. It's another thing to get punched at in your sleep.
I've been hit. I've been hit. I've actually been punched and, John, get out, someone's in our house. That's me. See the face? Me. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Well, when you hollered for me to get up that someone was in the house and then you lambasted me, I don't know. I'm not sure that you really didn't know who I was.
Oh no! When I punched Eric, I was sleeping. I did not wake up. I was having a violent dream.
Yeah, I've been there.
God. And on that note, we should say good night.